हेलो एंड वेलकम एवरीवन। तो आज मैं रीजनिंग का सेक्शनल मॉक देने जा रही हूँ एसबीआई पीओ के लिए। तो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So question number one is 9 persons retire from their job in 3 different months, August, September and November, on three different dates, 6, 15 and 23 in each month, but not necessarily in the same order. Okay. H retired 1 month before V. S retired just before J. And more than 4% retire between M and S. X retire before A but not immediately before. D retire on the prime number date after M. H did not retire on prime number date. X did not retire in the month which has uh, even number of days. More than 1% retire between V and D. M, H and X do not retire in September or November. उसके बाद अब D. Who among the following person retire on 15 September? तो 15 September को V. Then which of the following statements are incorrect? H and X retire on same month. H, X same month, true. Incorrect पूछा है. Only one person retired between P and A. सही है. S retire in the month of August. S retire in the month of August. नहीं, ये गलत है. Only 3. Which of the following pair is incorrectly matched? H 6 August. नहीं, 6 August नहीं है. P 6 September. इनकरेक्टली पूछा है ना, तो ये. Which of the following statements are correct? Only 3% retire between X and V. X and V के बीच में 3, ये गलत है. As many person retire after H as many before J. सही है. S and D retire on same month. ओके, तो सेकंड और थर्ड से सही है. Who among the following person retire after A? S, J, D में से कोई D. Who among the following person, अच्छा दूसरा ये. 8 students give exam of 3 different subjects, math, science, English, but not necessarily in the same order. Not more than 3% give exam of any particular subject. Any particular subject. Neither Y nor X give science exam. तो इधर वो कर लेते हैं जिन्होंने एग्जाम नहीं दिया है सब्जेक्ट का, और इधर जिन्होंने दिया है. तो Z and S give different exam. Either W or U give English exam. उसके बाद neither V nor S give English exam. Either और Z and S give different exam. Either W U give English exam, neither V nor S give English exam. Either Z or U give science exam. X and W give different exam. T gives neither English exam nor with X. Only one person give exam with Y. X and V give different exam. Neither W nor T give same exam with S. Who among the following person give English exam? English exam दिया है W और Y. Which of the following statements are correct? V and Y give different exam. V and Y सही है. X and S give same exam. Neither Z nor U give English exam. Neither Z nor U. तीनों ही सही हैं. In a certain way 4 और 5 और ढूंढना होगा इसमें से. तो X V S Z X V S Z U T X S U T X S यही गलत है. Which of the following statements are incorrect? Incorrect. Neither T nor Z give math exam. T or Z give math exam. Least number of person give science exam. V and Z give same exam. V and Z give same exam. ये तो सही है. Incorrect पूछा है तो neither T nor Z give math exam. ये भी सही है. Okay, ये गलत है. Which of the following exam does W give? W तो English. How could okay? Every song would be. इसको भी करते हैं थोड़ी देर में. Possible word for the code R V Q V Q M. R V. Every song cannot be bad. Bad को लेके हो सकता है. Q V इधर. Loud song is not soothing. Music is soothing. तो soothing के लिए Q V. Soothing और bad कहाँ आ रहा है? Bad every soothing. What could be the possible word for the code A Y? कहाँ आ रहा है A Y? Music can be therapy और बस नहीं इसमें इधर भी आ रहा है. Every song cannot be bad. Bad can be bad और can और be में से कुछ हो सकता है. What is the code for the word bad therapy? Bad के लिए अभी word ढूंढा था शायद RV. हाँ RV but therapy. Music can be therapy. ये लग रहा है. How N is related to अच्छा ठीक है blood relation का question है. In a family of 7 members there are 2 married couples. N has only 2 sons. R is the grandson of G. V is the uncle of R who is the only son of A. K is brother of A who is husband of S. N is the wife of G. तो ये पूरा जुड़ जाएगा. How N is related to S? N S से mother-in-law. In a certain way 4 are alike. इसमें और ढूंढना है. KASVG. KASVG. Female है S. How R is related to K? R K से कैसे related है? daughter, sister, niece, nephew लगा. Which of the following statements are correct? ठीक है. 9 chemical bought one after another but not necessarily in the same order. Chemical P bought before H. N bought 2 chemical before J. 4 chemical bought between I and M. Chemical L bought after H. As many chemical bought before P as many after H. O bought before I, which is bought before N. ठीक है. Not more than one chemical bought between K and P. Okay. Which of the following statements are correct? Chemical K is bought just after O. Only 2 chemical bought between chemical N and J. N and J के बीच में 2 नहीं. First correct है. Chemical M is bought just after L. After तो नहीं, पहले लिया. Only 1 मेरे हिसाब से तो. In a certain before इसमें भी odd होना है. KIPH में एक का गैप है. JL में भी एक का गैप है. OI में भी एक का गैप है. तो PH नहीं PH क्यों? KI. Which of the following statement are incorrect? No chemical is bought before O. Incorrect पूछा है. Only one chemical is bought between H and M. The number of chemical bought before P is more than that of after it. Which of the following chemical is bought just after chemical P? Just after chemical P. How many chemicals are bought between chemical O and N? O and N. Who among the following fifth person? A certain number of persons sit on the linear row and facing toward north direction. Okay, इसको देखते हैं अभी. If it is possible to make a meaningful word from third, sixth, eighth and 10th letter of the word. Third O, L, उसके बाद 8th R and then T. Then which of the following letter is the first letter of the word? If more than one such word can be made, then give X as answer. If no such word, then Z. मुझे तो नहीं लगता कुछ बनेगा इससे. A shopkeeper shows different companies' laptop with a different RAM storage, which is Apple, Asus, Acer, Dell, HP, Lenovo, Samsung, and the RAM of these laptops are this to the customer, but not necessarily in the same order. The RAM of Lenovo is perfect square 6400 या फिर 225 हो सकती है. The sum of RAM of HP and Samsung is equal to the RAM of Apple. The RAM of Asus is less than the RAM of Samsung, but more than that of Dell. The RAM of Lenovo is not the highest one. 25 नहीं होगी, मतलब 64 या 100 में से होगी. The RAM of Acer is less than that of HP. The RAM of Asus is not the divisible by RAM of Dell. RAM of Dell. ये क्वेश्चन तो नहीं हो पाएगा, तो सबमिट ही कर देते हैं. Okay, so as you can see, this is my score, and tell me in the comment section आपको ये mock कैसा लगा, and thank you.